Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. There is a prison in South Korea that helps overworked Koreans unwind and relax. Seoul is the first city in Asia to implement a smart trash bin system that automatically sorts and compresses waste. Wasps are actually just effective as bees when it comes to pollination. Study shows people who spend over 6 hours on their phone tend to be more broke. Seoul is the first city in the world to launch a nationwide 5G network. Madhapur village in Gujarat is the richest village of Asia's and where residents hold rupees 7,000 crore in fixed deposit, estimated population around 32,000. Oreo releases new Dubai pistachio kunafa cookie filling. Bakchon in Seoul is a traditional Hanok village preserving centuries-old Korean culture. People blink faster when they are either lying or under stress. In Japan, you can hire a handsome man to watch sad movies with you and wipe your tears. Poverty rate in India. When the human body is hungry, it eats itself and goes through a cleansing process that eliminates all disease cells, cancer, aging cells, and Alzheimer's. The first Sony Walkman had two headphone jacks, so you could share it with someone else as they thought it would be considered rude to listen by yourself. This feature was removed as no one used it. Dinadhan right whale dolphins have no dorsal fin. Male and female South American sea lions side by side. The ability to control fire is supposed to be one of human beings' greatest achievements, but we may not be alone. Preliminary research suggests that birds, specifically the brown falcons and black kites of Australia, may also use fire to their advantage when they want to. Their opportunistic adaptation has nothing to do with cooking, but it has everything to do with food. The fires they supposedly set help them hunt prey. The notion of the bird's pyromaniac behavior is even present in an Aboriginal ceremony where elders dress up as brown falcons and black kites and moving flaming sticks to spread fire in a symbolic yet sacred gesture. Americans spend more on lottery than they spend on books, video games, sports, tickets, movies, and music combined. Some species of bamboo flower only once in decades and do so simultaneously across the entire planet, regardless of location or climate. This happens every 40 to 80 years and it is seen as a curse in East Asia because it is immediately followed by a rat infestation and the spread of famine. A finance worker was scammed out of $25 million through a deepfake video conference. The worker thought he was on call with multiple colleagues whom he recognized and the company's CFO, but all of them were fake. People during the American civil rights movement of the 50s and 60s were encouraged to march in their finest clothes as to reframe the very idea of what a disruptor looked like. Medal of Honor recipients are entitled to much more than the medal, including a $1,300 monthly bonus, 10% retirement raise, and may wear their uniform even after they're out of the service. Did you know VHS cassettes degrade over time? Any special memories from their 90s are now in serious jeopardy of being lost forever. Look into digitizing all of your family's VHS tapes ASAP if you want them to last. A philosophical riddle from 1688 was recently solved. It goes, if a man born blind can feel the differences between shapes such as spheres and cubes, could, if given the ability, distinguish those objects by sight alone? In 2003, 5 people had their sight restored through surgery, and no, they could not do it. Kuwait has no rivers or lakes in the entire country and almost completely relies on desalination for drinking water. There are currently more than 6 desalination plants in operation, and Kuwait was the first country in the world to use desalination for large scale domestic use. William Lytle, also known as the Mole Man, is notable for digging an extensive network of tunnels under his home in London. Lytle firstly dug out a wine cellar under his home and said that he had found a taste for the thing and kept on digging for the next 40 years. Tunneling remained a secret for a long time until neighbors started noticing sinkholes in the pavement and when water power supplies were interrupted. He created a network of tunnels, wide and narrow, on several levels. Tunnels led in all directions, some of them up to 18 meters in length. The board game Catan was designed by Klaus Teuber, who originally worked as a dental technician. The game went on to become such a success that he became a full-time game designer. He also won the German Market's Game of the Year award for 4 of his games. Most calcium is orange. Least calcium is apple. Most vitamin A is mango. Least vitamin A is apple. Highest antioxidant is blueberry. Lowest antioxidant is melon. Thanks for watching.